'cause all of my kindness is taken for weakness. Now I'm 4 or 5 seconds from wildin', and we got 3 more days till Friday.
Look up how the water's coming up. Oh my God! In the technology room. Wow. This is crazy. All right, back in action. So I'm going down the stairs. I'm going down the stairs, and we'll start over in the boiler room. It's the boiler room, as you can see. Water. This is the staff room. We put the printer up like that, and then everything's flooded from here head to toe. All right, this is the is this 5th grade? Yeah, this is 5th grade. Miss Yeager's room. As you can see, it's wild in here. Yeah.
Wondering where I've been. Now I know the job tonight. Thinking how
This is 3rd grade. Same on every class is the same. It's really bad. These carpets are ruined. And it's a war zone down here. As you can see, you know, the water's about 3 inches. About 3 inches. This is Stacy's room. It's this bad. So we went and got these to get the water up. This is our boiler.
more days till Friday. I'm trying to make it right home by Monday morning. I swear. That's all I want. 4 or 5 seconds from wildin'. We got 3 more days till Friday. Just trying to make it right home by Monday morning. I swear everybody was there.
All right. Mr. Miguel.
Yes, sir.
Wave to the camera. This is the school after the devastation. This floor, once mopped by Mr. C and Mr. K, is now the result of devastation of knocking down all the cupboards and shelving from every single classroom. And finally, last on our tour, where once, only several days ago, water poured from the crevice into the bottom floor of the school. Coming to you live from Partnership Academy. Signing off.
This is that ice cold Michelle fight for that white gold. This one for them hood girls, them good girls, straight masterpieces. Stylin', wildin', living it up in the city. Got Chuck's on with Saint Laurent. Gotta kiss myself, I'm so pretty. Girls hit you hallelujah. Girls hit you hallelujah. Girls hit you hallelujah. 'Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. 'Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. 'Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. Saturday night and we in the spot. Don't believe me, just watch. Come on. Don't believe me, just watch. 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 Hey, 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 I'm in it. Take a sip, sign the check. Julio, get the stretch. Right to Harlem, Hollywood, Jackson, Mississippi. If we show up, we gon' show out. Smoother than a fresh drop skipping. Girls hit you hallelujah. Girls hit you hallelujah. Girls hit you hallelujah. 'Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. 'Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. 'Cause Uptown